Good morning. Where are we at today, girls?
Castaway Key.
So we are docked at Castaway Key, and squeeze by those two. This is the side of the ship that we are on for this trip. I'm gonna go outside, but as Natalie said, we'll make it. We all have to kind of sleep in a little bit.
I just said we make it.
They just opened up the doors, so we've got to run down and grab breakfast. Captain Hook, do you see him?
I see him.
Right there, just got off the ship.
Oh, I see him.
He apparently had to go through customs too.
He's mean.
Yeah.
No, it's not that bad. I look like Smee.
You look like Smee.
With his like little glasses down.
We are going back to Enchanted Garden.
There's the base.
Yes, there is the base.
It's honestly the better one to start at.
Yeah, because it's less empty. We are going to Enchanted Garden this morning for breakfast. We're going to do a buffet. They have a breakfast buffet here this morning, and then this is closer to get off the ship to go onto the island. And the kids are excited because it's pretty. One of the little teacups last night, Isabella. We were down by the fountain by one of the little cups. It's supposed to look a lot like the video from last night if you watched that video. Only breakfast food and a buffet along the back. And I guess not everyone knows about this. Are you cold, Sweet Pea? No, I didn't bring a jacket, Sweetie. The air conditioning's on in here. I just realized that her napkins are folded like little tuxedos. It's cute. Isabella bit her cheek. We're working it out over here. So I'm gonna go up and show what all they have for different offerings, but they had a really wide variety. So there are a number of meat and cheese selections and some toppings for those. All kinds of different sweets and pastries. This one is the buffet option only at breakfast. There's cream of wheat and oatmeal in the front, and then of course you have Mickey waffles. There's also two options for pancakes, blueberry and regular pancakes. There's a selection of potatoes, bacon, and sausage. And then you can also do like a biscuit and gravy, some eggs, and hash browns. And Dan got this vegetable quiche and said it was really good. So a large selection of different fruit items, some yogurt, and even cereal. Are you enjoying it?
My cheek.
Yeah.
That is not good. But this food is good.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I got most of dessert. Let's go to the beach and play.
Go to the beach each.
I think I like all of them.
There's Donald.
Hi, Donald. Say bye, Donald. Okay, can we go to the actual beach now?
We're headed that way, Natalie. We got a couple more stops on the way there. We got to ride a tram and stuff too. It's a good picture spot.
Craft rentals, gilt fence and boat, snorkel rental, and she sells seashells and everything else for shopping. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at two locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies 2. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. Now please remain seated until the tram has come to a complete stop.
Here's the 5K start. This is just not the trip. Kids are asking why we didn't do the 5K, which first of all, they're not old enough. You're supposed to be 10. She turns 10 in May. So I think we'll wait until she can do it. But she would have had to go to Scuttle's Cove regardless.
Yeah, that's totally the reason why we didn't do it this time. I mean, we just didn't feel right, not being able to do it as a family. It had nothing to do
We wanted to sleep in.
with sleeping in and having walked through Disney parks for like 3 days beforehand. Probably walking about 3 5Ks worth of distance anyway.
So we feel like we've done our 5K.
Yeah.
So we feel like this is our like chill time, which I think squarely puts us into a certain type of Disney traveler category. That's fine. I'm fine with it.
We gotta go to the beach.
We gotta go to the beach.
Did you get it? Alright.
No, you didn't give me any lead time. You're just like, I'm gonna pull this.
This is yours now. I want to make the ultimate fall. I
Do it again.
Fall.
That's alright. Alright, you ready to go to the beach?
Everybody didn't fly, but now they can.
Let's go to the beach. Bella's perfecting her masterpiece here. She's digging this out and trying to make the water go through the sand castle.
Oh, this is cute.
I bet she's
Heading to Cookies 2 to get lunch real quick. Everyone's getting hungry. There's ice cream stations and drink stations, and it's kind of a help yourself. I already got my stuff, but I'm coming back to get it for the kids real quick. I'm gonna get Natalie a hot dog and Isabella a hamburger. So Natalie said she wanted the hot dog and Isabella is going to get the hamburger. I'm gonna grab their stuff real quick. There's red skin potato salad, couscous, tomato salad, and traditional coleslaw. Natalie got the hot dog and Isabella got the hamburger, and then there's also a number of dessert selections. There's a pineapple crumble cake, chocolate chip cookies, which you can put ice cream in between those, and it's really awesome, and banana bread as well. It's gotten a little breezy, so we went and got the towels for them to wear. So you can get 1 or 2 of the chocolate chip cookies, and then go over to the ice cream machine and put some ice cream on top. Okay, after you get a good helping of ice cream on there, just smush it all together, and voila, ice cream sandwich. It's ice cream life over here. Ice cream has become like a new food group for us. So these two are heading to Scuttle's Cove. They want to play in the sand, and they want to go play at the splash pad too. I think that we're going to go try to find Castaway Key t-shirts, because the last ones that we got they outgrew already. Well, I guess not already. They've worn them for a couple years. The Castaway Key t-shirts they did have, we got on our very first trip here. And then Isabella's got handed down to Natalie. And now Natalie's getting ready to even outgrow the one that Isabella got. So we're gonna see if we can find some updated Castaway Key shirts. Trying to find something in their size. This one's cute. Oh, that one's a 5K one. The trams arrive every about 6 minutes on Bahamian time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome.
Tonight we are headed to Scuttle's Cove. This is the kids programming. We're gonna drop off the girls for a little while so they can go play like you always do. And now we get to have a bit of adult time because the kids are off playing at Scuttle's Cove. We're probably gonna head over to Serenity Bay and go chill out for a little bit, maybe find a hammock. It's not in a very picturesque cup, but this is the Bon Voyage, which is a pina colada and a strawberry daiquiri mixed that we got over at Serenity Bay. And this is a nice quiet beach where you can come chill out. There's hammocks over here and lots of beach space. There's also a barbecue place over here too if you want to come over here to eat lunch.
Or wherever we're going. We'll go back to the... Well, we're going to go back to the chair and get you your food.
You can just see the stacks on the ship hooking up over there. We're headed back to Scuttle's Cove to go pick up the girls. Might do a little souvenir shopping before we get them. Dan's phone is dinging incessantly to let us know that we're supposed to be other places. And I'm going to a farewell, see you soon reception again on deck floor and Evolutions when we get back to the boat. Dan's got to get in line with all these kids to get ice cream. I can't say any full amount of ice cream on this trip too. The blueberry and mango is my absolute favorite. So I went back as many times as I can because that may be changed out. That's the thing, is it can change from day to day. So I could go up there today and it may not be blueberry mango, but it was so good. We're gonna take a quick look at the gear that you can only get at Castaway Key. They have all kinds of cute ornaments, and there's wine glasses over here. I love this duffel bag. I'm gonna end up getting that. And they have a bunch of pajamas, sweatshirts, and travel bags. I also love this little pouch. All the bright colors. And this is a metal Tervis mug. Those are nice. They also have a number of exclusive Disney line, cruise line pens. I love this. I'll be your captain and I'll be your first mate. It's so cute. There's different pen trading, phone cases, and also some fun charms. I'm gonna get some of those on the boat. I'm thinking about getting one of these for Isabella and then one of them for Natalie. I'm just trying to figure out who is gonna want what since they're off at the kids club. Dan said he thought Natalie would like that one. This little Castaway Key shirt is cute too. It's got Ariel on it. So it's just now about 3 o'clock. What time is it?
It's like almost 3:20.
Oh, it's like 3:20. We're gonna head to Scuttle's Cove, pick up the kids, and head back to the ship. These guys got some popsicles that they're finishing up. I've got our cute little cruise line bag here. I'll share what we got when we get back to the room. And we are headed back to the ship.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our beautiful island, Castaway Key. We are all headed back to cargo handling and your Disney cruise ship. Sandbar adventure, backcountry fishing, and adult snorkeling. If you did get a lot of sun today, Be sure to keep lotion on your skin and keep drinking plenty of water. And as Nikki says, we hope to see you real soon.
Stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.
Yeah, it's probably not a bad idea. If you take one tonight, then you
Well, then a little girl kept.
She's a beautiful ship. Last night. So there's showers right here before you go on the boat where you can either rinse off or rinse your feet off. We're all gonna rinse our feet off because we have sand all over them.
The bottom one, not the top one.
Bottom one!
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Yep, it's off the side of the ship.
What that did. I never forget. Saw that already.
You went on that.
Did that?
Want to see Mickey Mouse real quick?
Maybe doesn't want to see just that. Okay. Up the ship. Look.
I know. I was up there.
Yeah.
I was up there.
And the tube didn't break. You were fine.
You're fine. Okay, I'm heading to a farewell greeting.